How to add the Firefox Search Bar widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now go to the home screen page that you want to add the widget. Then touch and hold. Next, tap on the widget icon at the bottom. Then in here, we scroll down and then tap on Firefox. Next, drag the widget and place it on your home screen, like so. Now in here, you can resize the widget to make it shorter or longer. And that's it. If you touch and hold on the widget, you can either create a stack or you can remove it. And to search the web using the widget, just simply tap on it. And from here, you'll be able to search the web using Firefox. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.